Now in the frame called title, there are three options: owner, rep and admin. And so the frame called title, well, caption title actually, could contain a variable. It could contain the word owner, or it could contain the word rep, or it could contain the word admin. So we need to establish a variable. What I'm going to ask you to do is click an open space in the user form, and in the menu choose View and choose Code. I'd then like you to type a certain command. What I'd like to do is type right at the top of this module a command that says option explicit. And then I'd like to declare my variable. I'm going to use a dim statement to declare a variable called FM title, which is my title frame. Now I'm going to declare it as a string. Now what I'd like to do now is go back to the form. So I'll double click in the Project Explorer, FRM Sales. And now I want to double click Owner, this particular option button. If I double click the option button Owner, I can then add some code to this particular option button. And I can say that the variable FM title, oops, not FRM because that's a form, the frame title is equal to owner. And then I'm going to go back to the form just by double clicking FRM Sales in the Project Explorer, and I'll double click Rep. And when it comes to Rep, this particular option button, if this option button is clicked, then the frame called title, which is a variable, will equal the value Rep. And then I'll go back to the form just by double clicking FRM Sales in the forms. And now I'm going to double click Admin. If this particular option button is clicked, I want the variable, which is the frame title, to be equal to the value admin. And then I'll just save and double click FRM Sales to return to my form.